All right, it looks like there is 3 layers of wallpaper in this room. So here's one, this blue plaid. Underneath it is this brown pattern. And then under that, and this floral is underneath the brown pattern. So 3 layers of wallpaper in here. And then the ceiling also had popcorn ceiling on top.
Keep watching to see the progress we make demoing this room and gain wisdom we've learned along the way about DIY and home renovation. Let's go. Dust is inevitable. The first lesson learned is to give up pursuing a spotless home. When you do a project, no matter how much you close off a room, there will be a thin layer of dust and dirt on everything in every single room of the house. It's a constant struggle to choose between a BandAid fix or open Pandora's box and do things the right way. BandAid fixes, like our recent kitchen makeover, are cheap cosmetic ways to make the home more livable until we have the time and budget to do it the right way and the way we want. Then you have the right way, aka Pandora's box. For those of you homeowners out there, you know. Once you start a project, there is a snowball effect.
Underneath.
Everything takes longer than you think. I have no idea how people do weekend projects. Do they never sleep? Do they have an unlimited budget? How do things even dry between building and installing? I don't think we'll ever know, or it may be one of those social media lies. Anyway, take your budget for money and time and multiply it by at least 3. Plus, there will always be at least one unexpected thing that pops up. Pool versus hire. This one is another juggling act. You see us do a lot of work ourselves, and sometimes this means it's going to take a million years. Sometimes it means Rob needs to buy a tool because buying the tool and giving it a shot is cheaper than hiring someone if it works, which it usually does. However, we do hire work out if we don't have the time, specialized tools, or expertise, like for our roof and gutters for a 3-story house and the tall trees that hang over the road.
Here, you want to scrape this, Sayla? Here, you scrape. Scrape it all off.
Do a little digging. Sometimes you'll find gold and it's so worth it. Remember our laundry room? Under one layer of linoleum tile, we found another layer of really neat black and white tiles. I noticed the floor was still a little high, so we peeled up another layer of flooring and found original wood underneath. Or take this room. Many people told us to cover up the popcorn ceiling because it wouldn't be worth scraping off. But after a test scrape, we discovered it wasn't so bad and the plaster underneath is in pretty decent shape.
Oh, that is so satisfying.
Perfect.
Oh, praise the Lord.
Is there wallpaper underneath it? That is wallpaper underneath it.
That's why it's coming off of me.
Great.
Stuccoed over wallpaper.
No one cares. Sometimes I'm hesitant to have people over, friends, or even strangers due to the condition of our home with all the dust and holes in the walls. But I have to remind myself that I am the only one who cares about the project status of our home. Most people are more curious than anything and want to live vicariously through us. While having a clean kitchen sink and bathroom are important, what really matters is how you make people feel when they walk in your door. Friends help friends. I got some interesting comments on my kitchen makeover video about it not being realistic to have handy friends to help. Some even said I was cheating. I don't know how people DIY their homes by themselves, especially with full-time jobs, serving at church, raising kids, spending time fostering community. Oh yeah, and editing videos to post on here. In our life, friends come before YouTube, and friendship means they help us when we need help and we help them when they need help. Sometimes it means our projects and videos get behind because we're helping a friend paint their house, cut down trees, or clean out their basement. It's easy to forget how far you've come. I'm visual and I'm really good at finding inconsistencies, so I tend to focus on the projects we still need to do versus remember and revel in the ones we've already accomplished. It's nice to slow down and rewatch these videos to delight in our hard work. One or done. Never have more than one whole room out of commission or your life will fall apart. Right now we have 2 rooms out of commission, this room and the 3rd floor bathroom, and our life is pretty hectic. We also have other rooms under construction, but they are still usable. With a cheesy one. It gets worse before it gets better, much like you saw with this room today. In most situations, it's best to go through the process of peeling the layers to expose what's underneath so you can start with a blank slate. Room makeovers are a process, and each stage is equally important, even the ones that don't seem as fun. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and can't wait to see the final room transformation. We have a lot more work to go, cleaning and patching the walls, electrical, painting, and decorating. Also, we'd love to hear what you've learned about home renovations in the comments below. Bye!